Welcome to your English class by Kehkashan Khan.
Greetings to all students. Today I will teach you poem Adventure of Isabel. In this poem we will learn about how a little girl whose name is Isabel faces all the problems that comes in her way. She does not afraid with her bear, witch, giant and doctor that creates many problems to her. She does not worry, not scream, not scurry. She stands there as a courageous girl and solve all the problems by herself. Now I will start the reading. Okay? So put your finger on your book and be ready. Isabel met an enormous bear. Enormous means a thing that is very big in size. So I will say, you will say that is enormous thing. So Isabel met an enormous bear. She met a big bear. Isabel didn't care, but Isabel did not care about it. What is the size of the bear? The bear was hungry, the bear was ravenous. And the bear was very hungry. And ravenous means hungry and ravenous means very hungry. The bear big mouth was cruel and cavernous. Cruel means savage and cavernous means very large and dark. The bear mouth was very cruel and cavernous like a cave. There is a very darkness. Okay. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. And bear said to Isabel, I feel very glad to see you. Okay. Why? Because he want to eat it. He said in the next line, how do Isabel? What do you do, Isabel? Now I will eat you because I will eat you. He said, now I'll eat you. Now I will eat you. Isabel didn't worry, but Isabel did not worry. Isabel did not scream and scurry. Okay. She stand there with a courage and she washed her hands. Then after she washed her hand and straightened her hair up, and then after he straightened her hair, and then Isabel quietly add the bear and calmly she add the bear. Once in a night as a black pitch. Pitch means black like a coal. Okay. So in a one night that was very black like a coal. Okay. Isabel met a wicked old witch. Wicked means black hearted, cruel person you can say. So Isabel met a wicked old witch. The witch's face was cross and wrinkled, and witch's face was very crooked, was very dangerous. The witch's gum with her sprinkle. Witch's gums has fixed, whereas sprinkle means spread. They have gap. Okay. So, oh ho Isabel, the old witch crowd. Oh ho Isabel, the old witch crowd. Old witch said very loud voice. With a loud voice, he said, oh ho Isabel, you are here. I'll turn you into an ugly toad. Now I will turn you in an ugly toad. Toad means this is a kind of frog. Okay. Isabel didn't worry. But Isabel did not worry. Isabel didn't scream. She did not scream and scurry. She does not scurry. Scurry means run away with a small step. She does not worry, she does not shouting, she does not go from there, and she showed a rag. Rag means break in pieces. Okay, to break something in many pieces. She showed no rag. She had no shows his angriness, and she showed no rancor. Rancor means feeling of hate and anger. But she turned the witch into milk and drank her. Then she changed witch into milk and drank her. And then she met a hideous giant. Hideous giant means ugly. Okay. Then she met a ugly giant. Isabel continued self-reliant. Self-reliant means independent. But Isabel was very independent. The giant was hairy. The giant was hurried. The giant was hairy. Hairy means he has more hairs on his body. The giant was horrid. Horrid means horrible, awful. He was very horrible. He had one eye in the middle of his forehead, and he has one eye in the middle of her forehead. But we have two eyes now, and giant has only one eye in the middle of his forehead. Good morning, Isabel, said the giant. Giant said, Good morning, Isabel. I'll grind your bones to make my bread. He said to Isabel, Now I will grind your bones. Okay, grind means crush. He will grind the bones and then he will make bread and then eat. Next page. Isabel didn't worry, but the Isabel did not worry. She didn't scream or scurry. She did not worry, not screaming and not run away from there. She nibbled the zwieback that she always fed off. Nibbled means bite off. She is biting a zwieback. Zwieback means you can say bun, like a bun. Okay. So he was eating zwieback then that she always fed up. Zwieback. She does not like zwieback, but she was eating, and then it was gone, and then he has finished it. Then she cut the giant's head off. Then after eating, she was cut the head of the giants. Now next and last para. Okay. So in this para, Isabel met to the doctor. Isabel met a troublesome doctor. Troublesome means who creates problem. He punched, he poked, till he really shocked her. Doctors punched her, poked her, and really shocked to Isabel. Dr. Talks was cough and chill, and doctor was talking about the cough and chill. Chill means cold. And the doctor's satchel bugged with pills. And doctor's satchel means bag. And doctor's bag was filled with the pills. Pills means medicines. Okay. The doctor said unto Isabel. Now the doctor said to Isabel, swallow this, it will make you well. He said to Isabel, you take the medicine, then after you will get well. Isabel didn't worry, but Isabel did not worry. Isabel didn't scream, she did not scream and scurry. She did not worry, she did not screaming and shouting, and she does not run away from there. She took those pills from the pill concoctor. Concoctor means composer. Then she take out the pills from the concoctor and she gave this pill to the doctor, and he treated the doctor by her attitude. So class, I hope you must have understood this chapter and the adventures of Isabel. Okay, thank you class.